I'm going to show you how to install mods for Mewgenics game. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your browser and head to nexusmods.com, and then you want to search for Mewgenics in the search bar and click on the game. And here you should find all the available mods in this list. And then you can download all the mods that you want to use. So for example, the bigger storage early here, open it up in new page, and the auto battler mode and the no bad events, for example. And now you want to make sure that you have an account and you're signed in to be able to download these mods. If you don't, you can sign up for free. Now in the mod page, you want to click on the files, click on manual download, and then click on slow download for free. And you'll need to do the same steps for all the other mods that you want to download and use. Some of them might require a loader. So for example, this one require Mewtator, which is a mod manager. First, you want to download the mod and then open this in a new tab. And I'm going to download the last mod, which is the no bad events. Apparently this is no longer available to download, so next we'll move to the Mewtator, which is the mod manager, and download it by going to files and then manual download and then slow. Now once you've downloaded everything, you want to grab the files or the mods that you've downloaded. This is the mod manager, this is the auto battler mod, and this is the bigger storage mod. Now go to Steam, right click on Mewgenics, manage and browse local files. And this is the folder where the game is installed. So the first thing we want to do is extract the Mewtator mod manager, extract the folder to your desktop, and then open up the folder and run Mewtator application. And you will need to configure the game path in the settings, so press OK and then navigate to the game install directory. You can make it easier by going to the folder we've opened earlier from Steam. Click on the path here and copy the entire path and then paste it here. Or you can click on browse, paste here, and then click select folder. It's the same. And this should also automatically select the mods folder. Click on Save Settings. Now let's get to the mods we've downloaded. So I'm gonna open the zip file for the auto battler mod, extract that folder to desktop, and extract the bigger storage to desktop as well. Now go back to Mewtator and click on File and open Mods folder. Now in here you should find all the mods available. You want to basically drag and drop your mods here, and once they are in this folder, you want to restart the Mewgenic. Otherwise it can appear automatically in this folder, but if it doesn't, you can restart it. Now to enable those, you can basically click on Enable All, and that should move all the mods to the enabled mods. Now all you need to do is just press the Launch Game button, and this should launch the game with all the mods that we've enabled. And now you can basically start playing the game. So you can press play and load into your existing save or start brand new game. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next one.